Are you falling for an immigration scam? Hi, my name is Audra Doyle, and I'm the owner and attorney of Doyle Law here in Atlanta, Georgia. This is a serious topic, and I think it's one that I don't discuss enough with my clients or with the general public. So today we are going to talk about scams regarding immigration and how you can avoid being a victim of those scams. The first thing I want you to know is that there are dishonest people in this world. People who want to steal your money, and they will do or say many things to get you to give them your money. And so as a consumer, you need to be very, very careful. Number one, when people call you on the phone or when they send you an email and they are discussing your immigration case. So that is the first clue. If you're getting a call from immigration, if you're getting a direct email from immigration or with anything related to your immigration case, if I am your lawyer, what's the first thing you should do? Tell me. You should contact my office and say, hey, Audra, got a strange phone call today. So-and-so immigration office called me on the phone and they told me this and that. I will be able to help you determine if this is a real call or not. And I would say 99% of the time, those calls and emails are fake. They are not real. So let's talk about how you can figure out whether it's a real call or a fake phone call. The key that I use is, are they asking you for money? Are they calling you on the phone or sending you an email and they're saying to pay them money? This is the Immigration Service. You owe us money. This is the IRS. You owe us money. This is the Federal Marshals. You need to give us money. This is whatever agency, and they're asking you to make a payment by phone. Do not do it without talking to me. So if you feel like it's real, don't make the phone payment. Say, I need to talk with my lawyer about this. Here's Audra's name. Here's her contact information. I am not paying you any money on the phone. I want you to talk to my lawyer. You can absolutely do that. And you can give them all of my contact information. I should be able to discern whether this is a real phone call or not. 99% of the time, it is absolutely not. And 100% of the time, if they're asking you for money on the phone, that is a scam. They want to steal your money. Do not give them your money. Here's another clue. If they are asking for the money in strange payment methods, if they're asking for Bitcoin, if they're asking for gift cards, hang up the phone. That is a scammer. They are trying to steal your money. Absolutely do not give someone your payment information, credit card information, bank account information by phone that is saying they are from these agencies. They don't do that. They never ask you for money on the phone. They send you a bill. I just got a bill from the IRS. They never called me on the phone to say that I owed money. I got a bill in the mail. I know it's official, and I can call them back to make sure that this is real before I start writing a check. So with scammers, the last thing to know is there's all kinds of different ways that they will lie to you and make you think it is real. So I went and found a website a webpage on the USCIS website. It says common scams. So the Immigration Service is aware that scammers are out there and they're trying to steal your money. So let me give you a list that they are saying are common scams. Number one is TPS re-registration. Next one is an immigration scam from India, where Indian nationals over in that country, there's some bad guys over there that are trying to steal your money. Form I-9 scams, notarios publicos, that's notaries that are not real lawyers, payments by phone or email. Let's read that one right quick. It says, USCIS will never ask you to transfer money to an individual. They do not accept Western Union, MoneyGram, PayPal, gift cards, Bitcoin. They do not accept those forms of payments. So right there, if they call you on the phone, they ask you to PayPal money, it's a scam. You have to be smart and you have to be brave when these folks are calling you, and you have to stand up for yourself. Now, as your advocate, if I am your lawyer, I will stand up for you. So if you have any doubts, any worries, don't pay the money, call me. Say, oh, hang on 1 minute. Let me get you my lawyer's information. You get their phone number for me. I will be happy to call them. The final scams we have are scam job offers, scams targeting students, paying money to jump the line to go faster in the case. And the last one is an Afghan personal information scam. So this has been a long video, but I think it is extremely important for you to be careful, to be watchful of your money, and to understand that there are people out there who think day and night, how can they take your money? Don't let it happen to you. I am here to help you. If you have any doubts or concerns about any phone calls like this, contact me right away before you pay them 1 penny. I hope this information has been helpful to you. And as always, if you have any questions, let us know. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel that we have and press the bell so that you're going to get updates about new videos. See you next time.